5. Black-breasted puffleg. Length around 8 centimeters. Weight about 3 grams. Wingspan approximately 10 centimeters. Habitat: cloud forests. Location: Ecuador, Andes Mountains. Diet: nectar. Color: iridescent black with puffy white leg feathers. Status: critically endangered behavior, elusive and hard to spot. Interesting fact: known for its puffy legs that look like white boots. 6. Wine-throated hummingbird. Length 7.5 to 8 centimeters. Weight approximately 2.6 grams. Wingspan approximately 9 to 10 centimeters. Habitat: highland forests. Location: Guatemala and Honduras. Diet: nectar from flowering plants. Color: males have deep wine-colored throats. Behavior: very territorial, nesting in shrubs and low trees. Interesting fact: a lesser-known but very vibrant hummingbird.